2015 Honda CR-V. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.